Thank you very much for coming. We are here today as a family, not as politicians, not even as humanitarians, but as a family to extend our hand and our heart to all the families that have been affected by the tragedy of the sinking of the MVC wall. A year has now passed, and instead of sending flowers to the families, we wished to create something beautiful, a natural platform amidst all of the investigations, all of the pain, all of the politics. We wanted to create a platform that would bring some feelings of hope, comfort, and that would create a place from which everyone can work towards a future. Hello, I'm Sean Heppenferrer. My wife and I came to Jindo to start a movement of building a forest to commemorate the tragic accident that took place a year ago, the sinking of the MVC wall. Please join us on this site and help us to continue the story.